Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy SubHub on Binance Alpha. So first, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search SubHub, and you can search it, and we'll find it on Alpha tab here. You can click it, click this one, and this is the chart. So yeah, from the chart perspective, it's not good because it's quickly down, but maybe there is some opportunity. So yeah, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and we'll find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is not bad, and there are 1 billion SubHub. Also, you can check their audit here. You can read it, and yeah, if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this, and the amount here, it's up to you. Also, you can choose the instant buy, and you can swap your USDT or other token to SubHub. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, stop this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.